I don't know. He went somewhere. I'm going to go find a bee's nest.
Okay.
Could be inside this cage, though. I do not know where the dog is. The dog's gone. No, the dog's not gone. That was an accident. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be playing Burglin Gnomes again. So let's get right into it. Let's go. Look at my hands! They're spazzing out.
I knew. Because you got her top of her hat.
There he is.
Real question is, do we have...
Hey! Give me the shoe.
I don't know how
Give me
to
your
invite people.
Hey, not my Yeezys, bro.
Give me your Yeezys.
Hey, don't be scuffing my Yeezys now, bruh.
Give me those Tims. Give me those Tims.
Bring that back. Bring that.
Let's go. Here we go. We're on an adventure.
Hold me.
Hold me!
Oh,
Hold
I'm not
me! No!
Why am I behind?
Ooh!
I mean, what?
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 Oh
that?
man, just getting my hair blue dried.
Who said that?
Okay. Guys, it's time to go. Let's go. I'm here, guys!
Okay. Steal any
Oh, look,
item
there's a
from the
shed.
bathroom.
Steal any item
There's
from
a
the
shed.
bathroom. Get stung by bee.
Get
Jonathan out of his
hut.
hut.
Who the heck
Steal
is
any
Jonathan?
kitchenware. Open cabinet.
Steal any kitchenware.
Jonathan.
Open cabinet.
Wait, who's Jonathan?
Okay, guys.
Is he over here?
I don't know. I don't know who Jonathan is. I can't get out.
Hold on. Let me help you,
You're not
Shaggy.
gonna be able to
Oh,
get that.
okay, Shaggy, let's try. It's unlocked. It should be unlocked. I need a key. We need
We're
a key.
too weak. Maybe we push it?
We need a key. Right? I'm not sure.
Are you sure?
Pop does say we need a key, but I don't think it's for this door. Might be for the front door. We gotta get in here, man. It's time to start our day jobs. I'm climbing. Who wants to keep an eye out? Hey, no! I already did that. I already suffered from that.
Here, somebody steal this. We need to steal 3 kitchenware.
I'm trying to open this so I can climb on it and take this pot. But I can't open it.
Okay, I'm up here. Oh, I tried.
Get out of there.
How do we jump?
Where?
How do we climb?
Where? What are we trying to do?
We gotta steal 3 kitchenware items.
Here, give it to me. Bring them up to me. I got it.
Here you go.
Got one.
I'm not strong enough.
You gotta put your range out. Put your range out.
I am.
Come on.
Take it,
Come on.
Shaggy.
I'm trying. It's almost there.
Oh, I just
got it.
Found my body.
What
Oh, I
else
got
is
it
in
out.
here?
I got it out. I fell.
Oh no.
It's all right. We got it.
I have an idea. Somebody shut the door. Somebody, can you shut this door? Hey. Hello?
Found some more items.
Okay,
Guys,
fine.
I found
I'll
the
just
knife.
parkour.
What?
I found the knife.
Hey,
I'll just
I
have to
got
parkour.
coffee.
you gotta be careful with that. I'm gonna try to find the bathroom. Guys, he's naked in the bathroom.
She did.
I accidentally cut my leg.
What are you all talking about? Ah! Ah! Run! Hide!
Hey!
I'm safe. I'm safe.
He's got me!
Oh no! Run! Get to safety! I have no arms! I went to the wrong place. What do we need? Get stung by bee, get Jonathan out of his hut, steal any item from the bathroom. I'm going to the bathroom. No! No! Up of me! He's got nothing! Help! No! No! He's flushing me! Help me! No! Oh, I'm back here. I'm safe, guys. I'm safe. I'm sneaking in through the window. Hey, no! My legs! No, my legs! I need my legs! Lieutenant Diane! Is that a roach? Ow, that hurt. No, 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 no. No! No, get away from me! No! He's microwaving me!
Whoa. Hello.
Hello, I respawned you.
Yay. Whoa.
Did you see what I did?
No! He's microwaving me! No! No! Help me! Help me! He's microwaving me! No! Help me! I don't want to be cooked like a burrito! Help me!
It's okay, it's okay, you will survive. What do you want me to do?
I didn't survive. No! Help me! No! No! He's still microwaving me! Get me out of here! No! Help me! Guys! Please help me! Help me! Help! Help me, guys! Help! Please help me. I don't think they notice I'm caught. I'm dead! They left me behind. Yeah. Dinos got captured. You're gonna get flushed. He's got a gun! Yeah. Dino, I'm dead.
Hello.
I'm dead. I'm haunting you.
That's creepy.
What is Jonathan?
I don't know who Jonathan is. Oh, maybe it's the guy. Okay, we have to lure him out.
You left me behind. I was microwaved. He microwaved me.
I'm sorry, Bailey.
Oh no.
He just took his clothes.
Shaggy, he microwaved me.
Oh no.
Yeah, I was yelling for help.
Oh, he's taking a shower, bro. Bro, is there a toaster? Oh gosh, he's coming for me.
He's shooting. No, he got full face and butt.
No! Don't you dare put me in the oven. No! No!
So, hey Shaggy, how's it feel to be in the oven?
No! Help me!
I can't, I'm dead.
No! Somebody's out there! I can see them out there! Help! Oh, please! Oh, please help me!
He's so lucky. He's lucky. He's lucky.
Billy died like this. Help me! Thank you so much. You saved my life. Oh my gosh, thank you.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'm confused. Okay, we at least got that.
She got stung twice.
Ouch.
You got stung twice.
I could actually bring y'all back.
Please bring me back, please. I'm back.
Was it only you?
Yeah, he microwaved me like a burrito.
Okay. So the good thing is we got most of them done, but we still need to.
You got stung. I see it in your shoulder. JB, hold on. Stand still. Let me remove the
Oh
bee
yeah, you
stings
could
from
take
you.
it out.
Yeah.
Yeah, take it out.
Oh, you still hold on. You had two.
You
You
can
had
store
two.
it.
Yeah, I got him. I got him.
Yeah. And
Oh,
you could.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to.
Feely!
There's a
Because he
naked
has a
giant in
gun.
the distance.
Can you get it out of me, please?
Yeah, I got it right in my hand.
No, the other one that you just threw at me.
I got both of them. You stood there and watched. Oh no!
You finished with that thing.
JB, you got shot.
Who the heck? Who the heck is Jonathan then?
That guy that was in the hut back there. I thought you all passed by. Where you got stung.
Oh my gosh. Oh, oh, oh. How do I? Hello?
Yeah, we need to tell him that we're dead. We're
Go
dead.
to the thing and revive us.
We need to be
Go
brought
to
back
the-
to
They're
life.
dead. I'm gonna go revive them.
He's got a Glock. Watch out.
We'll get sucked up.
Oh my gosh!
Yeah,
no
be careful
way.
because he's got a gun.
What?
He's got
Please.
a grenade.
Look at this. Watch me do this. Don't revive him yet until I do this.
Okay.
Where is he?
You got a
There's
grenade.
the right.
He's got a grenade.
Where is he?
He's got a grenade.
Where is he?
Oh my gosh. If we...
Where is he?
Yo,
Is he in the bathtub?
I was tortured.
we don't have time for this.
Where is
No, we don't.
Oh, he's right there.
Ah!
I know it's
No.
about. No!
Oh my gosh.
We got. We lost.
Well, I didn't know there was a door there.
He snuck up on you all.
Dude, he's the crap out of me. She said, he's right there. What? I got jump scared. I don't know you can get jump scared by an old man.
Yeah.
Yeah,
On to the
when
next
he's got
level.
that gun, there is no getting him.
Dude,
But we got most of them, so we should be able to get.
Not bad. Not
I want
bad.
to know what Jonathan was.
He was
yeah,
in the hut.
that wasn't fair.
I know, I
would've known
wanted
there
to
was a
let him
door
out.
there, I probably would have got him. I was
Guys.
trying to suicide bomb him and then have Dino revive us.
We got 0 because
Not
we
bad.
died.
Yep. Not bad. Not bad. Oh, day 2.
But we still are going to day 2, so.
Yep. Again, we do it again.
Hold
Is
on.
Dino ready?
Nope. Give me a second.
Okay.
I've been recording the whole time, kid.
Bro, has this thing been pregnant this whole time?
Yeah. You finally noticed?
It's a butterfly in my face! Where'd it go?
My butterfly. Oh, the butterfly went away.
I'm trying to catch it.
You can't catch butterflies.
Okay, are we ready?
We're
Not
waiting
yet,
on
not yet,
Dino.
not yet, not yet, not yet,
Nope,
not yet,
nope,
not yet,
nope,
not yet, not yet.
Hold on.
I'm making something.
Ew!
Ready.
Oh.
Dino's knocked
Jelly,
out,
jelly,
guys.
jelly.
He hit me.
No, I don't know what you're talking
Hey,
about.
stop it! I just
He
want your
hit me.
stick. Hey!
Hey, Pinhead, come here.
Yeah,
Here,
get away.
somebody take this. Somebody take this.
Oh, I'll take it, alright.
Yeah. You got it? You
Doesn't
press
have any
one.
more
Now
sticks.
whack Beely with it.
It does damage, so be careful.
Okay.
I'm okay with that.
I think we should save what we got for the next thing. We need some scratch, we need some blasto.
No!
Yo, people.
Yeah.
We need some more scrags, and we need some more,
What is on your back?
Put that weapon
so
down.
I'm pretty sure,
Put it down.
So I'm pretty sure we need to get something that's kind of made of like cloth, and something that's made out of plastic, so we can get plasto and the
Put that
rags
weapon
or
down.
whatever. Rags.
Okay.
Put that weapon
I'm ready
down.
to get...
Yeah, we're ready. I'm burning.
Ow! Ow! Cartwheel, cartwheel, cartwheel. Ooh,
Guys, look at me, I'm slingshot.
ooh, what's going on?
Whoa, different
I'm a
area.
slingshot.
Yeah, time to start again. Round 2.
How do you
This
use
ain't
me?
even a
How do
neighborhood.
you use me, bro? How do you use me?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Can you grab onto my slingshot?
Okay, steal any utensil, get stung by
Hold on.
bee again. Flush any item
Ow!
down the toilet, 3
Yeah.
of them.
Yeah,
Steal
so
a
you can
house plant,
slingshot
kill a
yourself
roach.
with your slingshot from behind, but it breaks your arms when you get up there.
How do you do it? Like, is that how you have to do it with your arms?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. I mean, unless you can place it down, but I'm not sure. Time for round 2, guys. Round 2. Oh, what's up here? Up my legs! I can't feel them! I can't feel my legs! Ooh, we got a gnome over here. Hello. Mwah. Gotta give him a kiss. Bro kiss. Bro kiss. Broski. Well, I'm gonna get in this way, on this side. He just opened a window for me. Thank you, man. But I think he had a knife. No, he has a shotgun. Yeah. He has a shotgun,
Really?
Shaggy.
Oh my gosh.
My legs. My legs.
Can you try to slingshot yourself into the window to see if you can break it?
Hold on, let me try. Nope.
Hold on, try it over here on this side.
I gotta wait for my arms to grow back.
Yeah.
Nope.
Dang.
We tried. I'm gonna go through the back. Who's getting put in somewhere? Shaggy, someone's being put in the kitchen somewhere, I think. Oh, shoot. No. Oh, no. I heard that. Huh? He has a shotgun.
Billy, you have no idea how close you were to dying right now.
Yeah, I know.
He was literally sniffing your butt. He said, "Huh?"
I can't get out.
Hello.
Hello. Are you all dead?
Just me and Shaggy.
Is JellyBean being microwaved? Come on, bring it over here.
She's in the kitchen on the floor.
I mean, she's alive, right?
Tied. Yeah, she's alive. She's tied.
Ah, my arm! I gotta bring it closer.
You got this, bro. You gotta jump higher.
I know. I need my 2 arms. Come on, closer. Unless I can push. 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 Oh, yeah, I think that's it. Okay, there we go. JB? JB, this is a toy room. JB?
Kitchen, Beely, kitchen.
I know. I got lost. I didn't know the layout. Oh, this is the basement.
Oh, okay.
Kitchen this way. Okay. Ow! It came out of nowhere. JB! I'm here!
You found me!
There. We gotta bring him back.
Yeah, the dummy didn't even put me in the oven. I somehow landed on the floor.
We need to bring him back.
Okay, there was a utensil. Yeah.
I'll bring him back, JB. Guys, hold on. I'm bringing you back. Bringing you back. Hold on. Wait. Hold on. Y'all are back.
Where?
Let's go.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Where did the gold guy go? Get stung by a bee. I need to go find a bee's nest.
Okay.
I'm gonna head towards this direction. To the plate. Oh, this is a... There's dog. Wait. Flush an item down the toilet. Steal a house plant. Kill a roach. Okay, we already did the roach. There's the dog. Ooh, we can open it. No, I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to. No! No! The dog flew. The dog flew. No! I might have did something bad.
What'd you do?
I opened the dog cage.
Oh, you dum-dum.
Yeah. Guys, I did something bad.
What'd you do?
I opened the dog cage.
Oh no.
Actually, is that the basement? No, that's not the basement. Basement's somewhere. Where, oh where is the basement? Can I drive this? Yes, I can. Like my ride. Where'd the old guy go? I'm right in style.
Hey, look at you.
Yeah, style.
Oh, I could just pick you up. That's wild.
How do I get out? I don't know how to get out. Oh,
Maybe
okay,
press E.
I hit
Oh.
E again. Yep. Where's the basement? Is it this way? This has to be where the basement is. Yep. This is the basement. Ow! 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 There's your generator. Turn off the power. Nope, can't. Five minutes left. I don't even know what I'm supposed to be doing. Where's the safe? Nope, there's nothing in there. Nope. Guys, I'm stuck down here. I'm stuck. Nope, never mind. One jump at a time. One jump at a time. What's sound liquidy? Where is everyone? No, I'm going to take the car out and find a bee's nest.
Really?
Yeah?
Where is he?
I don't know. He went somewhere. I'm going to go find a bee's nest.
Okay.
We're riding style. Probably in a treehouse, but I'm not sure. Could be inside this cage, though. I do not know where the dog is. Dog's gone. No, the dog's not gone. That was an accident. He's in the bathroom? I don't know. Hey, JellyBean. You got taken out. Oh, JellyBean, did you just see a figure just run by the house?
Yeah, that's a statue. If we throw things outside of the house, it'll grab it.
Oh, okay. I didn't know.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I told y'all earlier.
JB, your death might have been my fault. I opened the
What'd
door.
you do? Was that you that flung? You opened the door to the gate?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
I didn't know if the bees were in there. Did you try stealing my toy
Me and
car?
Dealey are dead.
Yeah, we're dead.
Yeah.
Okay.
By unfortunate events dealing with
Damn
the
it.
dog.
Ew.
I saw that. A full face of it.
At least she's being flung out the window.
Yeah.
Fling her out the window then. That's what she needs.
No,
Ooh,
he's.
hopefully she doesn't get the dog. That's a very...
She survived. Shaggy, we're dead.
Oh no.
I just told Shaggy.
The gate.
Yes.
I know.
It irritates me that he
Hello.
always tries to kill
Hello.
things. That's not the
Kick
point.
butt.
Where's the guy at?
Yeah.
He just tossed me out.
But did you see? JB, I'm sorry I caused your death.
Shaggy, you might not want to kill him.
Get stung by a bee.
Does he hear me?
Probably not.
I don't know.
Well, if you kill him...
Is the bee's nest up here? I don't see a bee's nest. No, I don't see it. Oh, was that Shaggy or was that the guy? Something happened. Where's the bees? I don't know where the bees are. Get in the tornado! I didn't know where the bees are.
Yeah, I was trying to find him.
Run, we're being shot at! No, that's just Shaggy shooting. Okay, guys. JellyBean, I don't think we did that bad.
Dude, I think that was super successful. I got
We
so
didn't
many
get
things
enough,
out the
though.
window.
I couldn't
got
find
so
the
many
bees.
things out the window. Oh, we needed to flush another thing out the toilet.
I couldn't find the bees,
Yeah.
JB.
Yeah.
I was trying to put
Yeah, I
two
was trying to
things down the
find it.
toilet, but the guy kept coming into the bathroom, and then he eventually found me and yeeted me.
How do you grab the stick? How do you grab it? Oh. Die.
No, we're dead.
Told y'all.
Well, game over there.